Hey folks, we have that dense fog advisory in effect for coastal sections of the valley until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. See the area shaded in blue, all under that advisory. It includes South Padre, Port Isabel, Laguna Vista, Laguna Heights, and right up the coast to Port Mansfield. Visibility for the most part still in pretty good shape, but we are seeing some limitations right at the coast. Clouds have dominated Texas today, including the valley, although we did have some nice breaks this afternoon. A lot of us got to see at least a little bit of sunshine today. We might see a little tomorrow, but probably not a lot. Clouds are still going to dominate again tomorrow as a couple of fronts are going to work their way into the area. I think the day starts warm, just like the last few days. Mostly cloudy skies, early warm and humid conditions, a bit of a breeze out of the south in the morning. By lunchtime, we still have the southerly breeze, but then first front goes through early afternoon, could trigger a couple of showers, especially in the upper valley. Then that front goes on through. Temperatures cool a little bit, but not a lot. But then the second front goes through late night tomorrow night and into Friday, and then it just gets messy and feels like winter again. Strong north wind all day Friday. Temperatures dropping from 50 into the 40s during the daytime on Friday. And on and off light rain and drizzle on Friday. It's just going to be a messy day across the area. We're going to go from spring today and tomorrow to at least our version of winter for a couple of days. Saturday looks a lot like Friday. Clouds, damp, drizzly, breezy. Just a mess again. Temperatures in the 40s all day. But by Sunday, the winds turn back out of the south, and when that happens, we'll probably warm back up at least a little bit, probably back up close to 70 again during the afternoon. Rain chances tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, about 20%, 70 on Friday, 50 on Saturday. It's all light rain and drizzle, no significant rain expected. Current temperatures are in the 70s valley-wide. By Friday, these will be but a memory as we're in the 40s Friday afternoon and at this time Friday night. But tonight will still be mild, about 70 for your low across the region, 70 at the beach, 71 in Brownsville. Rather breezy. That wind starts tomorrow to the southeast but turns out of the north as the day goes on. Temperatures go to 80 and then kind of level out, maybe drop a little bit. But then tomorrow night when that secondary front comes through, that's when numbers really drop. And only 50 on Friday and only 49 on Saturday. A couple of cold days in the valley, at least compared to what we've been the last few days. Take a look at Texas. You see some rain up in the northern part of the state. Temperatures are cold when you get north of this front up in Oklahoma, but eventually that air will push southward. Two fronts to get it here. Here's the first one, comes through tomorrow afternoon. The second one comes through tomorrow night. And by Friday morning, the cold air is here. It stays through Saturday. And again, Sunday, here comes the warm front. The front basically turns around, moves back to the north. That pushes the cold air back and brings temperatures back close to 70 by Sunday afternoon. And by Monday, close to 80. At the coast, still decent tomorrow, especially the first half of the day. Southeast winds, but then turning out of the northeast, 10 to 20. A gale watch in effect for the offshore waters. Small craft operators urged to use caution because when that front comes in, it's going to come in a big way, especially the secondary one. So 70 tonight, mostly cloudy, warm and muggy. Southeast winds. Tomorrow back to 80. We start with the southeast wind. It flips during the afternoon. North of 10 to 20, mainly cloudy skies, maybe a couple of breaks of sun, but not a lot. Late day shower and then just messy on Friday, kind of messy on Saturday as well. 49 for a high, and then Sunday, look how quickly rebound. Back to 73, 81 on Monday, and then a little bit cooler middle of next week as another front makes its way into the neighborhood. But in the meantime, enjoy tomorrow. That's the last 80-degree day until Monday. Some cold days in between. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Hey, Joel.